Good morning children. Today third class mathematics we have to discuss about word problems. That is exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3 in your textbook page number 103. Once everyone open your textbook and see this question. I am reading the question. You have to open your book and observe it. Solve these word problems. There were 7,000 bags of rice in Suresh shop on Monday. By Sunday, 1,638 bags of rice were left. How many bags of rice did he sell during the week? First, they given total number of rice bags in the shop on Monday. Okay. First step here you have to write down. In Suresh shop, number of rice bags, NUMBR, number of rice bags on Monday. Okay. How many bags are there, children? Tell me. There are 7,000. 7. 1, 2, 3. 7,000 bags. After that, number of bags by Sunday left. Okay. Here, number of bags. NOOF is nothing but number of bags left. Number of bags were left by Sunday. How many bags are left, children? Number of bags left by Sunday, that is 1,638. And they are asking number of bags left in the how many bags total. How many bags he sent during the week? Okay, last step. Number of bags sent. Okay, number of bags sent during the week. During the week means how many bags are left. How many bags are sent? They are asking. So you have to do the subtraction. That is big number to small number. Number to number you must leave the finger gap in your notebook also. Why? Because easily understanding the problem, easily we can do the answer. Here 0 minus 8 is possible? Not possible. So we have to take regrouping, means borrow from the next place. Here also 0 is there. Take from next place. Here also 0 is there. Again you have to take from thousands place. Here to here borrow taking means this become as 6. 10. 10 to giving 1 means this become as 9. Again 10 to giving 1 means this also becoming as 9. This becoming as 10. 10 minus 8. How much? Open your 10 fingers. Close 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total, how many fingers left? 2. So our answer is 2. Ones place over after, go for the tens place. 9 minus 3. Open 9 fingers and have to close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many are remaining, children? Count once. 6. So the answer is 6. Again, tens place completed. Go for the hundreds place. 9 minus 6. Open 9 fingers and have to close 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are remaining, children? 3. So our answer is 3. 100 place also over. Go for the thousands place. 6 minus 1. Open 6 fingers. Close 1 finger. How many are remaining, children? 5. So our answer is 5. So total number of bags sold during the week, that is 5362. Okay. You have to open your maths notebook, write down the date and day, keep heading exercise 4.3 word problems. See in your textbook, copy the first question. Over after, leave one finger gap, then start the answer. Answer also one line over after also leave the finger gap and write down neatly. And one number after also leave the finger gap. Maintain the book neatly. Okay. First answer over after, make a line, draw one line. After that, go for the next question. That is second one. Open your books once, everyone. See that question. Anita wants to buy a pair of shoes costing 2,549. She has 2,199 only. How much more money does she need to buy the shoes? Here they given cost of shoes and they given amount how much Anita has. We have to note that we have to do this subtraction from big number to small number. You will get the answer. How much money she needs still. Okay. First here. Cost of shoes. You have to write down cost of shoes. How much cost? Rupees means you must write down rupee symbol. 2549. Number to number leave the finger gap. And amount Anita has. Amount Anita has. Amount means show with the rupee symbol. She has 2,199. And you have to know that how much money she wants still. Okay. Money need to buy. Okay. How much money need? Amount Anita need. Means how much do you want. Here also you have to do the subtraction. Big number to small number you have to do the subtraction. First you can subtract ones place. 9 minus 9, 0. 4 minus 9, not possible. You have to take borrow. Here to here. This become as 4. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 9. 9 after to count up to 14. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The answer is 5. Next, 4 minus 1. Open 4 fingers, close 1 finger. The remaining fingers are 3. So 3 is our answer. 2 minus 2, 0. Rupee symbol. So amount Anita need rupees 350. So 350 she want. Okay. Like this you have to do the problem. Next, one more question. In a garden, there are 4,500 red and yellow roses. If there are 2,678 yellow roses, how many red roses are there in the garden? They are asking in a garden number of roses. Okay. Here, this third answer. In a garden. In a garden, number of red and yellow roses. Number of red and yellow roses is equal to, here place not there means I am writing here. Okay, that is 4,500. Next, number of yellow roses. Number of yellow roses is equal to, that is 2678. In your notebook here only you have to write them. Here also you can do the subtraction. Then you will get number of red roses. Okay. Last step. Number of red roses is equal to. Here also first you can subtract the ones place. 0 minus 8 not possible. So you have to take regrouping from the next place. Here also 0 is there. Again you have to take from next place. Here to here giving one number means this become as 4. Here to here again giving one number means this become as 9. Here this become as 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 4 minus 6, not possible. Again take borrow. This 4 become as 3. This become as 14. 6 minus 14. Okay, you have to count 6 after to 14. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers I open, children? Count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. 3 minus 2, 1. Therefore, number of red roses is equal to 1822. This is third answer. Now go for the fourth question. That is, on Independence Day, 8,450 children were invited to sing the national anthem. 4,165 children were below the age of the 15. How many children were above the age of the 15? Okay, they are giving the ages. Okay, on occasion of Independence Day. Number of children. Number of children above age 15. Number of children below age 15. Okay, they are invented. Total number of children is equal to how much? 8,450. Okay. Number of children below the age of 15. Number of children below 15 age. Okay, below 15 age. Next, that is 4,165. Here also you can do the subtraction. Then you will get number of children above the age of 15. Number of children above the age of 15 is equal to our answer. Here also you have to do the subtraction from ones place to next place. 0 minus 5 not possible. Take borrow. This become as 4. This become as 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 6 not possible. Take regrouping means borrow. This become as 3. This become as 14. 14 minus 6. 6 after to count up to 14. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8. 3 minus 1. Open 3 fingers, close 1 finger. How many are remaining? 2. 8 minus 4. 4. So, number of children above the age of 15 is equal to 4,285. Same like this in your textbook, 3 more questions is there. That is, 2,907 people went to a craft exhibition. 1,978 were men and women, and and the rest were children. How many children were there? Here also have to do the subtraction. This one and this one also have to finish. This is your homework. First 4 I will explain them. Next 5, 6, 7 you have to finish in your maths notebook. Read the question and write down the sentences. So today your homework is complete exercise 4.3 in maths notes. That is textbook page number 103. You have to write in your maths notebook these are questions. Write down the question, copy the answer. This is your homework today. Thank you.